East Watson Road, Taylors, North Carolina, just outside of Greenville. Should be 238. Intermodal going to work the inland port. I'm gonna let this run for another minute. We'll probably hear the defect detector go off as that clears the defect detector in Taylors. At Taylors, the track goes from the double track you're seeing here to single track. In fact, that had a lot to do with the timing of when 238 went by this morning. They waited while 172 went by because they weren't sure they could work the inland port because P79 local was going to be working the BMW spur, which is also there near the inland port. So once 172 went by, they got word that they could go ahead and go, which they were anxious to go because they didn't want to wait too long, or they'd had to wait for 212 to get through also. 238's head end's already near Caratel, so we should be hearing the defect detector any moment. Caratel's the next point past Taylors. It's double track around that curve that you can see, and then probably another, at least a half a mile after that, there's like another curve before it gets into Taylors, I think. They cross Edwards Road, and then there's a couple of crossings in Taylors, but at that point, by the time they actually get in Taylors, they're on the single track. The point.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 475.8, no defects.
And it'll repeat again in a few seconds. If it doesn't start here in about 5 seconds, I'm going to stop the video anyway. That's plenty.